Hey guys, Professor Bob coming to you this week, assignments 9 and 10. This is your last module, assignments 9 and 10, and discussion board 5. Discussion board 5 is kind of, I want your feedback on the course, okay? Guys, be honest with me. I want to know what you liked and what you didn't like. I'm not going to count off for stuff that you didn't like, okay? Don't worry, I'm not going to punish you for saying something negative about the class. I want to make the class better, so let me know, okay? The most important part of this announcement, next week is your exam 2. You must complete it by Tuesday at 7 p.m. That's completed. The testing center closes at 7. You've got to start it by 6 o'clock and you got to end by 7 at the very latest. Don't even cut it that close, okay? No leeway there. Get it done, okay? With that being said, I wanted to come up and show you something. I got a really good email this week. Question on the tides. And the question was that the spring tides are caused when the Earth, Moon, and Sun are all in a line. And the question was, well, that only happens in an eclipse. Let me show you it's partially true there. Guys, the motion of the planets, especially the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon, are very complicated, and you need objects to show you. So I'm going to attempt to show you right here how this works, okay? This light will be the sun. It could be blinding. I don't know. My assistant's photographing it right now. This is the Earth. Blue planet. We'll put the price tag at the bottom. I think we all know how day-night occurs. Okay, the Earth rotates once every 24 hours, right? So this side of the Earth's getting sun, that's daytime, it's nighttime back here, okay? So the Earth is rotating once every 24 hours. The Moon, however, revolves around the Earth, okay? And depending on where it's at, the tides change. When the Moon is over here, we have neap tides, or over here, it's called neap tides, right? That means you have the highest low tides and the lowest high tides. I know that gets confusing, okay? But when the Moon is on either side of the Earth here, you get spring tides. Now here's the kicker. The Moon in its orbit is actually most of the time up above a little bit, okay? It rotates up here. That's how we see it from where we're at. An eclipse is when the Moon is down here in its rotations and blocks the light hitting the Earth. Okay, let me show you. Come over here from this angle. And if you look at this, as the Moon comes over here, you can see this is actually what we call a full moon. When the Earth is between the Sun and the Moon, and you would expect the light to be blocked. And it is down here, that would be a lunar eclipse, but it's usually up a little higher around the Earth. I hope that made sense. I have no idea how this is going to come out. But either way, good question, and I hope that cleared it up. All right? When the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon are in a line, whether it's down here or up here, those are the spring tides. When it's on the side, it's the neap tides. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good week.